MBBS in Bangladesh, a dream we held turned into reality.
Dr. Enam Rahman. As a government physician, he was posted here in Sabah, the northern suburb of Dhaka. He served with soul, and his love was returned adequately by the local people. So much so that when his transfer was due, he relinquished government job only to stay here, serve the local people, and made history in the nation's chronicles of medical care through sincere pursuit of serving the ailing masses. Enam Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Enam's dream came true. Started in 1989 with a little 6-bed clinic. Its reputation helped it expand brick by brick. Now it's a huge embodiment of a 750-bed multidisciplinary, super specialty and tertiary care hospital of the country, located on a patch of 150 acres land at Parbotinagar, Sabah, accommodating a cluster of both horizontal and vertical elevation of the hospital building blocks with adjacent boys' hostels, girls' hostels, nurses' hostel, doctors' hostels, and a mosque complex. A dedicated building is being built for Enam Radiation Oncology, where there will be 5 lecture galleries, each with 250 seats. It will provide both linear therapy and brachytherapy, and ultimately gamma knife and cyber knife in near future.
Enam Medical College and Hospital is a multidisciplinary, super specialty and tertiary care hospital which started its journey in 1989 with only 6-bed facility. But now Enam Medical College and Hospital has come into being as a modern healthcare center equipped with the most sophisticated facilities in an outback region like Sabah. The main objectives of creating the Medical Education Center and full-fledged hospital has been my long dream. By the grace of Almighty and cooperation of the local people, Enam Medical College and Hospital is now a huge entity of medical education and clinical support center comparable to any top-notch private medical college and hospital of the country. Enam Medical College is not only a 750-bedded hospital, it is a total embodiment in medical field of national stature. We are inspired to rapidly expand our capacity in engaging experienced physicians, commissioning latest medical devices, apparatus, and treatment scopes and facilities to meet the growing demand. We are trying to blend advanced medical care literally in a non-profit approach, and that is the key reason of the great influx of patients in our hospital. At the same time, we are expanding vertically with introducing more faculties and departments in the medical college, bringing in noteworthy physicians both to dedicate their finest expertise to humanity as well as raising our next generation of medical students of various disciplines. Enam Medical College and Hospital is rather a mission to dedicate what we have to those who do not have or have less, towards making a healthy nation. The humming queues at our admission counters indicate and testify the human aspect of our mission, as the vibrancy at the classrooms of our future doctors resembles our total commitment to quality of medical education in the country.
Enam Medical College and Hospital is accredited to and affiliated with the key regulatory bodies like the Ministry of Health, Government of Bangladesh, the University of Dhaka, Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, Bangladesh College of Physicians and Surgeons, and is enlisted with reputed international medical schools through FAIMER, Avicenna, and IMED. Enam Medical College and Hospital is designed to provide broad-based education and professional development for medical students. The academic faculties have highly qualified teachers, and the multidisciplinary hospital at Trust is equipped with all latest and world-class medical equipments and devices. Enam Medical has cluster of building blocks, and this conference room attached to the office of the principal and the medical college office block is dedicated to hold meetings and academic conferences. All these help adequately for the students to acquire knowledge, skill, and appreciate to deal with a health problem and cope with medical emergencies. After a hectic day's end, coping with tutorials and practical attendance to hospital, it's in the library they cherish their time worth of learning in serene solitude. While the inpatients of the hospital provide the scope of learning and acquiring hands-on experience, the library of Enam Medical, with 500 students reading capacity at a time and a collection of basic books, supplementary volumes, journals, and net access, offer yet another thriving treasure for the medical students and interns. Enam Medical infrastructure includes this 1,200-seated huge auditorium to hold lectures, seminars, symposiums, and other major academic, professional, and administrative sessions, as well as the ideal venue for cultural functions. Enam Medical's departments include medicine, surgery, gynae and obstetrics, cardiology, pediatrics, neurology, neurosurgery, urology, nephrology, pulmonology, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, community medicine, pathology, microbiology, pharmacology, forensic medicine, psychiatry, endocrinology, hematology, skin and VD, gastroenterology, oncology, blood transfusion, orthopedic surgery, ENT, ophthalmology, anesthesia and ICU, radiology and imaging, physiotherapy, histopathology and cytopathology, maxillofacial and dental surgery. Enam Medical has a vibrancy in its blood bank and transfusion medicine department that ensures regular collection and dispensation of blood on emergencies, where blood is preserved in a dedicated refrigerator at +4 degrees centigrade temperature. The blood bank maintains an archive of donors in cooperation with Red Crescent and Shondhani, along with its own Spondan donor group. High-precision apparatus and devices characterize Enam Medical's state-of-the-art pathology lab, equipped with Cobas C311 fully automatic biochemistry analyzer from Roche, Japan, Beckman Coulter AU480 biochemistry and autoanalyzer, Beckman Coulter Access 2 autoimmunoassay analyzer, the Sysmex Japan hematology analyzer, Megalomy 1000 and the SNIBE autoimmunoassay analyzer, complete urine count analyzer or CUC with Dirui FUS 200 microscopic and Dirui 800 chemistry unit is the second one ever commissioned in any lab in Bangladesh for conducting blood culture and sensitivity tests. The lab also includes the electrolyte analyzer, Humalizer 3000, semi-auto analyzer, rotator, the centrifuge machine German Appendorf centrifuge for conducting culture, sensitivity study, and both bacterial and fungal antibiogram, added by the French Biomorax. The Enam Pathology Lab is admired for its world-renowned technological superiority in hematology, biochemistry, microbiological and immunological tests and research. The histopathology and cytopathology unit is equipped with German microtome thermoscientific setup with precision microscopes, hot-air oven, Olympus Japan microscope, flotation bath, and some other major apparatus to conduct biopsy, FNAC, pap smear, pleural fluid, ascitic fluid, and other tests. Enam Medical's microbiology lab has fully automated Bacalar device from SA France for conducting blood culture including bacterial detection. This microbiology lab is designed with international standard safety cabinets and laminar airflow. The American General Electric or GE healthcare device is installed at Enam Medical for conducting exercise tolerance tests or ETT. Enam Medical's physiotherapy unit consists of a complete unit offering all physiotherapies including shortwave diathermy, ultrasound therapy, infrared radiation, cervical and lumbar traction, and some other major post-traumatic remedial physiotherapy protocols. This 25-bed coronary care unit or CCU manifests the utmost care and professional standard of Enam Medical College and Hospital, attended by some senior and reputed cardiologists of the country. Enam Medical College and Hospital is enriched with its cath lab with an array of devices ranging from flat panel detectors and multi-axis from Toshiba, Japan, and other key devices to conduct all types of 24 hours coronary, peripheral, and carotid angiogram, angioplasty, device closures, permanent and temporary pacemaker, and some other major coronary, peripheral, and carotid interventions which runs 24 hours round the clock. Enam Medical's echocardiogram unit is equipped with General Electric apparatus for color Doppler of vivid E9 series. Enam Hospital commissioned Japan's Shimadzu Digital X-ray, a rare ensemble of high precision and a true state-of-the-art quality in digital radiography. This is Enam Medical College and Hospital's 20-bed dedicated neuro ICU, a truly state-of-the-art caring array both for neuromedicine, all types of neurosurgeries including emergencies. Operation theatres indicate the core competence of a hospital, and Enam Medical is proud to offer multidisciplinary surgeries in its 18 state-of-the-art operation theatres and a 25-bed post-operative unit. Operations are done by renowned senior physicians and surgeons with all kinds of endoscopic and laparoscopic surgeries with harmony. Enam Medical's intensive care unit ICU is equipped with hemodialysis facility and continuous renal replacement therapy CRRT. Enam Medical's all-inclusive ophthalmic unit consists of a dedicated OT for phacosurgery, oculoplasty, DCR, and glaucoma surgery with the German Carl Zeiss microscope with Takaji OM10 zoom Polaris 100 projection unit, also from Germany. Many rare devices and installations at Enam Medical includes this highly advanced German Carl Zeiss neuromicroscope. The Department of Gynecology and Obstetrics has a well-equipped labor room and 2 dedicated gynae operation theaters with attached obstetric ward and cabins. The Department of Skin and VD has consultation chambers as well as dedicated clinical area and apparatus for conducting laser, cosmetic and other treatments of skin diseases. The ERCP or endoscopic retrograde cholangio and creatography is done by Japan's Hitachi C-arm for removing common bile duct or CBD stone under the Department of Gastroenterology. The world-renowned German HB ESWL VG device is here for conducting ESWL or extracorporeal shockwave lithotripsy. Enam Medical's precision and care are adequately demonstrated in its superb neonatal and pediatric treatment setup in its 30-bed NICU, which is enriched with blue light phototherapy, ventilator, incubator, CPAP, radiant warmer, vital sign monitors, syringe pump, etc., along with all kinds of laboratory services. Kidney dialysis requires the state-of-the-art technological superiority and intensity of care, which Enam Medical has left a mark of appreciable precision with all kinds of hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis, including viral marker positive and negative, along with continuous renal replacement therapy or CRRT. The services at Enam Medical College and Hospital include MRI, 3D CT scan, (4D ultrasonogram), digital X-ray, angiogram and angioplasty, 18 operation theaters, post-operative care, ICU, CCU, labor room, pediatric ICU, general and specialist surgery, neurosurgery, pediatric disease, cardiac unit, urology, spinal cord injury management, computerized pathology, ECG and mammography, color Doppler, Euroflowmetry, ETT, audiometry and tympanometry, coagulation parameter, ESWL, ERCP, TVS, TRS, cancer marker, video endoscopy, colonoscopy, laser skin care, dentistry, all sorts of vaccinations, and some other major interventional and non-invasive treatments. For accidents, hazards, elements, tastes, and clinical treatments, Enam Medical has developed itself in terms of quality and capacity, and has successfully blended the quality with capacity without compromising clinical standard. And in consonance with the basic attributes of imparting world-class medical education to raise the next generation physicians of our country, as well as some foreign countries who prefer to send off their future physicians and surgeons to be properly groomed here in Enam Medical College and Hospital. Enam Medical College and Hospital, bringing medical science to the people.
Bangladesh Study Center, University Application Service for international students. Feel free to contact us. Our dedicated WhatsApp number for foreign students and Korean +88 01712 862669.